friends, here's the doctor's counting book. If you go to the back of the book, you will find some numbers that you can cut out. You can either leave them here or put some Velcro here. It's up to you. So the doctor's counting book goes, there's 1 medical bag, 2 stethoscopes. My page is stuck. 3 things that go in the ears. Do you know what they're called? See if you can figure that out. 4, what are these? They take your temperature. 5, what are these? I have one on my finger today actually because I have a paper cut. And then you're going to match the numbers. It's a game. Have fun with it, friends. Bye.